Hey, good morning, folks. Hope everybody is having a great Monday. Today, I came across an issue where printing from Outlook it would make the computer crash. I thought it was something with the operating system, or there was some sort of driver corruption within Windows that was causing this. However, it was only related to a specific printer. Any other printer, it was fine, just that particular printer. Then I started to think that, hey, it's probably the printer drivers that needs to be updated. However, there were multiple computers that were exhibiting the same issue. So I began to research it online, and I found these two Windows security updates. I will link it in the video description that are causing this. So the way to get by it is that you would have to uninstall either one of those updates. If they're both there, I would recommend removing both, or if one out of the two are there, remove those. So you would just basically have to search for Windows updates in the control panel, and once you find Windows updates, you want to go well, if you have control panel opened up, you want to go to uninstall a program and look for, on the left hand side, view installed updates. And typically there's a huge list depending on how many updates that were pushed out, but this is a pretty recent update that was put on computers. So you would have to basically search for it. Up top it says search install updates, where you would just type in the KB and the number, and I'll definitely link it in the description below. This is a short video. However, if you just remove those, you have to restart your computer. After restarting, you can reattempt to print again. The computers that I did this on, it definitely worked, so I'm pretty sure it should work on your end. If you find this video informational, please give it a thumbs up. Help me support this channel. But again, this was a pretty short fix. However, it took a bit of time for me to figure that out. But hey, anything that works and helps resolve the issue, that's what we're concerned about, right? So hope everyone is having a great Monday leading to this particular issue, and they get it resolved, and have a good rest of your week, guys. Take it easy. Bye now.